Wall paneling is a timeless and adaptable design feature that has seen a major resurgence in modern interiors. It blends visual interest with architectural structure, offering a unique way to enhance blank spaces with personality and charm. While once considered a traditional or historical detail, wall paneling has evolved into a contemporary tool for creative expression. It brings life to flat surfaces, adds character to bland surroundings, and helps define a space without overwhelming it. At its core, wall paneling is about texture and rhythm. It introduces a pattern, a break in the monotony, and an opportunity to play with form. Whether applied sparingly or across entire surfaces, paneling creates depth and dimension that standard painted walls often lack. It makes a wall feel like more than just a backdrop, it becomes a feature in itself. Through thoughtful placement, paneling can frame a space, lead the eye, or add a sense of grounded balance. One of the key appeals of wall paneling is its versatility. It can be subtle or bold, uniform or intricate. If these wall paneling ideas inspired you to elevate your space, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone planning a room makeover. Transform your living room with stunning decorative wall panels. Add texture, depth, and style to plain walls effortlessly. Choose from modern, rustic, or classic designs to match your vibe. Easy to install and built to impress guests instantly. Make your space feel luxurious, one panel at a time. The design can follow a clean, linear rhythm or embrace creative shapes and spacing. This allows paneling to fit into any visual direction, from understated minimalism to artistic complexity. The lines, grooves, and structures become part of the atmosphere, influencing how the room feels even without any additional decoration. The play of shadow and light across a paneled surface enhances its impact. Natural and artificial light interact with the contours, creating gentle highlights and depth throughout the day. This natural variation adds life and energy to the wall without needing to rely on color or artwork. The tactile quality of paneling also invites engagement. It's a surface that feels crafted, deliberate, and full of intention. Wall paneling also serves a practical function beyond aesthetics. It offers a layer of durability that protects walls from wear and tear. It helps conceal imperfections or uneven surfaces, giving a polished and uniform appearance. And it introduces a sense of proportion, breaking up tall walls, elongating short ones, or creating a defined visual center in a space. The structure of paneling quietly brings order to the surrounding environment. Despite its structured nature, paneling encourages creativity. It opens the door for customization through spacing, alignment, color, and scale. You can experiment with narrow or wide layouts, horizontal or vertical placement, simple or layered designs. The choices are endless, allowing for subtle variations that reflect personal style. The beauty of paneling is that even within repetition, no two installations need to look exactly alike. Which paneling style caught your eye? Are you into classic wainscoting or bold modern designs? Let me know in the comments. Half-wall paneling is a stylish way to add character to any room. It brings visual interest without covering the entire wall. Wainscoting is a timeless option that suits both classic and modern homes. Beadboard creates a cozy, cottage-like feel, perfect for bathrooms or kitchens. Vertical slats offer a clean, contemporary vibe for minimalist spaces. Paint the paneling in bold colors to create contrast and drama. Color plays an important role in the overall effect. When painted the same shade as the wall, paneling creates a seamless, elegant look. If contrasted with a different color, it stands out boldly, becoming a defining feature. The finish, whether matte, satin, or high gloss, adds further personality and can influence how light behaves on the surface. Neutral tones lend a timeless feel, while darker hues introduce drama and mood. Wall paneling has a unique ability to make spaces feel both refined and inviting. It adds a layer of craftsmanship that suggests care and attention. The repetition of shapes and lines brings calm and continuity, while also giving visual substance. It's a quiet form of design that doesn't demand attention but holds it effortlessly. As an architectural detail, it provides both form and function in equal measure. There is also a psychological aspect to paneling. The order it brings to a wall can contribute to a sense of clarity and calm. It suggests boundaries and structure in the environment, which can create feelings of comfort and stability. At the same time, its decorative value fosters creativity, offering a canvas to express personal taste and style through layout and finish. When integrated thoughtfully, paneling becomes more than just a design element, it becomes part of the room's identity. It enhances the experience of the space as a whole, from the moment one enters to the way one moves through it. It brings cohesion, linking surfaces and architectural features together in a balanced visual language. Even when used on a single wall, the impact is immediate and lasting. The installation process can range from simple to intricate, depending on the level of detail and the material involved. Yet even basic paneling designs yield striking results. Its structured appearance creates the impression of a well-considered space. Whether applied by hand or through prefabricated panels, the outcome feels deliberate and elevates the overall atmosphere. Maintenance is typically straightforward, as most paneling surfaces are designed to be durable and easy to clean. Over time, they can be refreshed with a new coat of paint or adjusted to suit evolving styles. This flexibility means that wall paneling is not just a trend, but a long-term design investment. It adapts to changing aesthetics while continuing to provide form and structure. For more home transformation tips and design inspiration, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for updates. Modern wall paneling is all about clean lines and bold textures. Geometric patterns create striking focal points in living rooms or bedrooms. Slatted wood panels add warmth while keeping a minimalist edge. Painted MDF panels in matte black or gray offer sleek sophistication. 3D panels bring depth and dimension to flat, boring walls. Try floor-to-ceiling vertical panels for a taller, more open feel. Mix materials, like wood and metal, for a custom designer look. Go monochrome for a subtle, modern aesthetic. Wall paneling is also a conversation between tradition and innovation. Its roots go back centuries, yet it remains relevant in contemporary design due to its adaptability. It bridges the past and present, offering familiar comfort while allowing for modern interpretation. It's a technique that honors craftsmanship while welcoming creativity. When viewed from different angles, paneling reveals new perspectives. It creates subtle changes in tone and depth depending on where you stand. This makes the wall an interactive element, one that responds to light, movement, and time. It becomes a living part of the interior landscape, evolving as the environment changes. In essence, wall paneling brings more than just decoration, it brings character. It tells a quiet story through structure and detail, turning everyday surfaces into points of interest.